Lesson 59. Texture, brightness, weight, and density. Hello, and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to talk about texture, brightness, weight, and density, the words we use to describe how things feel, look, and how heavy or compact they are. This is very descriptive vocabulary that will help you talk about the physical qualities of objects with precision. So, let us get started. Texture, how something feels when you touch it. First, let us look at adjectives to describe texture, how something feels when you touch it. Smooth, for example, the paper in this book. Polished, for example, varnished wood or a shiny metal surface. Silky, for example, silk itself or fine, expensive tights or stockings. Slippery, for example, a fish just out of the water. Furry, for example, a thick sheepskin rug. Rough, for example, new unwashed denim jeans or the bark of a tree. Coarse, for example, sand. Jagged, for example, sharp, irregular edges of broken glass or metal. Prickly, for example, a thistle, a cactus, or thorns on a rose. Here are some examples in sentences. Your hair has a silky feel. This cotton is very smooth to the touch. The table had a beautiful polished surface. The ground was rough underfoot. Brightness. Now, let us look at adjectives to describe brightness. We can talk about a shady corner of the garden. This means it is protected from the sun. Carnival costumes are full of vivid colors. They are bright and strong. You might wear shiny leather shoes. They reflect light. A dazzling light is extremely bright. It can almost blind you. We also have opposites. You wear such dull colors. Why do not you start wearing bright colors for a change? Dull means not bright, and bright means full of light and color. The light is too dim to read in here. It is not very bright. We need another lamp. I wear sunglasses when I drive because of the glare of the sun. Glare is a strong, unpleasant light. Density and weight. Finally, let us look at words to describe density and weight. A solid object is the opposite of a hollow object. Solid means hard all through, while hollow means empty inside. She has thick hair, while the opposite is thin or fine hair. An area with dense vegetation has a lot of plants growing close together. The opposite is sparse vegetation, which means few plants. For weight, we have expressions. Your bag is as light as a feather. This means it is very light. Have you brought enough clothes? Your bag is as heavy as lead. This means it is very heavy. What is in it? Bricks? This suitcase is very bulky or cumbersome. Both mean difficult, big, and heavy. So, that is our lesson on texture, brightness, weight, and density. These adjectives and expressions will help you describe the physical qualities of objects with greater vividness and precision.